thing with not having a proper voice, you can't really.
Yep.
Just for now.
Yeah, yep.
Can't really
and then we can go over there.
There's your gaita.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, another thing I was going to do.
Hands look ugly. I'm cutting them
So
off.
here, just wanted to get like a spiral sort of twisting, maybe from there to there. Like a spiral twisting there.
Okay, well,
Would that be like a good place to put it with
Yes.
that bend? Or?
yes, yes. Would you like to come up and have a look at what the spirals are?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Would you like to come up and have a look at the different spirals? What we do in spiral?
Are you going to do a spiral for your one too?
These are so annoying. So I wish we had a voice, eh?
Fuck, should I get my speaker out of the car?
Eh?
Should I get my speaker out of the car?
We don't. We just listen to the music of the chisels.
Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm listening to the music on my phone now.
Unless you got headphones. Oh, you have to ask the rangatira, ask Richard.
Yeah, nah, I'll just play it nice and subtle off my phone, and if he tells me to cut it off, then I'll cut it off. Oh. Music makes you lock in there. Arcade.
Yeah, it's for like the drumming of the toki. It's like the haka.
Yeah.
What you need, brother?
Oh, this. Something to cut the chunks off.
Oh, yeah. Or, oh, we just use the. What do you want to? Yeah, cut it.
I wanna make this.
Yeah, cut it.
Can you see what I see? Like, I wanna make this a hook.
Yeah.
A hook.
You better have to grind it out.
Yeah, I started to grind about it. I'll
Couldn't
chuck
get
the
right
chunk-
in. Yeah.
I'll chuck
You know what to do.
Yeah, I'll cut the chunk off.
you want to use a grinder? Ethan? Grinder will be easier.
Oh yeah, how do I cut? I want to cut this off.
Yeah, you just grind.
Grind it down, sort of thing, and you get it to the shape you want.
Ah, that's it. I'll do that.
Just put a thing on this.
No, I was going to cut that whole thing off.